see trees of green, red roses too. I see them grow for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies so blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty and bright, are also on the faces of people going by. Crazy friends shaking hands, saying how do you do? They are saying, I love you. When you're in the sky, I watch them float. They're much more than I ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Kumusta ka? Ang video ito ay para sa iyo kung ikaw ay beginner at gusto mong matuto na tumugtog ng ukulele. Ay tapusin mo lang ang video na ito at ikaw ay matututo na. Okay? At ang ating awitin ay What a Wonderful World na mayroong 7 chords. Lagi nasa standard tuning tayo, G, C, E, A. At ito yung first fret, ay first string, second string, third string, fourth string. Yan yung ating palatandaan ng ating string. At ito naman yung fret, first fret, second, third, fourth fret hanggang 18 frets ito. Okay, pag sinabi kong first string, ito yon nasa baba. Sa baba tayo nag-start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so ang ating chords C, ating ring finger, lagay natin sa first string at third fret, yan ang C. At ang E minor naman, itong ating pointer finger nandito sa first string, second fret, at ang middle finger nasa second string, third fret, at ang ating ring finger ay nandito sa third string, fourth fret. Yan ang E minor. Ang G naman, nandito tayo sa middle finger, first string, second fret, at ang intuturo or pointer finger ay nandito sa third string, second fret, at ang ring finger ay nandito sa second string, third fret. Yan ang G. At ang E7 naman, slide lang konti lang, nandito na yung ating ring finger sa first string, second fret, at ang middle naman nandito sa third string, second fret, at ang ating pointer finger, yung tuturo ay nandito sa fourth string, first fret. Yan ang E7. At ang A minor, ito nag-iisa lang siya, ating middle finger nandito sa fourth string, second fret. Yan, 1 lang niya, isa lang siya. Ito lang, itong hintuturo. Ay, Itong middle finger. Yan. Yan ang A minor. At ang A7 naman, itong ating pointer finger ay nandito sa third string, first fret. Yan ang A7. So, yun na lahat ang ating chords. C, E minor, G, E7, A minor, at A7. Ano, may DM pa to. May D minor, di ko na isama agad. D minor, nakalimutan. Ito yung D minor, nasa second string sa ating pointer finger, second string, first fret, at ating middle finger ay nandito sa fourth string, second fret, at ang ring finger naman ay nasa third string, nasa second fret pa rin yan, ganyan. Yan ang D minor. Muntik na makalimutan. So, ang ating strumming pattern, ang una ay 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4 per chords. And then, lilipat ka ulit sa second chord. 4 strum, 4 downs. Yan. So, sample. I see trees. Ay, nalito naman ako. I see trees. I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them. Yun. Apat na strum per chords. Yun. Lilipat ka na. Yan. Hanggang sa mabuo nyo na pang verse 1 to verse 3 hanggang bridge. Okay? At tapos na yung kanta. Ayun. Sige. At ang second strumming pattern natin ay down, down, up, up, down, up. Down, down, up, up, down, up. Ganun lang kadali kung papraktisin lang. Okay? Sample natin. I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Ay, may nakalimutan pa tayong chords. G7. G7, second string, first fret. Itong ating hintuturo at ating ring finger nasa first string, second fret, at middle finger ay nasa third string, second fret. Yan ang G7. Nakalimutan.